Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the secret Clockwork Chance Skins in 4-second Brawl. And in this video, I'll show you how you can get it, plus tips to increase your chances of unlocking this rare skin. So the Clockwork Chance Skin is one of the most sought after skins in 4-second. It's rare, stylish, and show off that you know the hidden tricks to get it. So let's break down exactly how it works. So the first step to unlock it, you can head into 4-second Brawl and complete the special event challenges. And you'll need to finish max requirements such as missions, dungeon runs, or even quests to even get a chance at unlocking Clockwork Chance. Step 2. Secret Chance requirement. So here's the trick. Once you've completed the challenge, you'll unlock a secret chance spin, and the spin has a very low drop rate for the Clockwork Chance skin, but there are ways to improve your odds. And the next step, boosting your odds. You can play during bonus weekends or even for higher drop rates. Save up resources to do multiple spins in a row. And join with friends for co-op bonuses if available. So that's how you can get the 4-second Brawl Clockwork Chance skin. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye!